Hey, if you've ever had a long PDF document to read and wanted a quick summary, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to summarize PDFs fast. First, open your PDF and highlight or copy the text you want summarized. If the PDF is long, copy it in smaller chunks because there's a limit to how much you can input at once. Now go to ChatGPT and paste the text into the chat box. You can type something like, "Please summarize this text," or "Give me the main points from this passage." The AI will read the text and give you a clear summary in a few seconds. If you have multiple sections, repeat the process and combine the summaries for an overview of the whole document. For even easier workflow, you can use tools or browser extensions that extract text from PDFs and send it directly to ChatGPT. This method saves you tons of reading time and helps you quickly understand important info from any PDF.